Hi everyone, I'm Fan, designer here at the Bead Floor Studio. This is part 4 of a series of videos that I'm sharing with you on how I make my French beaded pink magnolias. For part 1, 2, 3, you can find it in the description box below. The full video series consists of 12 videos and 11 lessons. For the full video lessons, you can find it at my website at beadfloor.com. In today's video, I will show you how I assemble the flowers. I already have the pistil attached to the stem wire with floral tape. Now take stamen A and wrap it just underneath the pistil. Followed by stamen B. Followed by stamen C. And another of stamen C. Now we are ready to wrap this with floral tape. We are now ready to attach the petals. We are doing flower B, so we will be attaching petals C first. With the petals, make sure that the wrong side is facing in, as we will be scrunching the petals in like this. So just shape it gently in, or just curved in. And wrap the petals in one by one with thread. Just gonna... Bring the thread back up. The next one. Okay, now let's attach last one of petal C. The second set of petals, we will be adding in petals D. Just make sure that these are dispersed evenly. So the petals D will be between the two C petals. Okay, now the next one. Now we are ready to add in petals A. Thread is getting caught everywhere. Between my tools. It's really cool to see just stuff just coming together. Okay. Alright, that is the last petal. Now let's bring all the thread back up. Cut it and make a knot more towards the top so that you can hold on to it as you wrap it with floral tape. Because it is not tight at all. It will stay once you wrap it with the floral tape. Now we are ready to attach these leaves, sepals, whatever they're called. I'm going to call them sepal leaves. Can't seem to find the names for these, the anatomy of magnolias. I'm going to call them sepal leaves. Okay, so just attach them to the stem with thread again. Make sure that the wrong side in, make make sure it is wrong-sided. Shape it like this a little bit. This thread. Goodness. Okay, add the next sepal leaf. Not all magnolias have these. Some are just bare. Some have some sort of sepals to them. Some have little leaves. So this pattern is just basically a mismatch of all the different pink magnolias I've seen. Some are kind of brown. Beaded brown leaves aren't that pretty. I stumbled upon some that are green. Pictures online, I mean, not real life ones. And so I decided, let's make them green. It's just more vibrant than just brown. Or they were kind of like mossy green, or some of them, not brown, mossy green. Just not a big fan of that color. And these, we'll call them sepal buds. All right, now we can wrap this all the way down. And here I have just maybe about 4 or 5 inches of beads strung onto lacing wire. This right here is 32 gauge wire, but you can use 30 or 34, whatever you have. Okay, so take the end of the lacing wire and just take it behind one of the sepals. Feed some beads on. Wrap it around and go behind the next sepal. Feed beads to cover the spaces if you need to. Right here I need 3. Need about 3 here. That about covers the small spaces. Now let's do the beaded stem. I'm going to wrap maybe about 7 or 8 rotations around the stem. This is all the beads I have strung, so about 5 rotations. Change of plans. Okay, so wrap the wire around the stem a few times. And then wrap it with floral tape. Now I'm going to wrap the stem of my magnolia. I will be using DMC metallic floss. It is item number E898. It's brown or oak. Okay. I'm going to put this right beneath the last bead rotation on the beaded stem, just where the where it ended. So I'm just going to put this right here. So just to start the wrapping, right where you left off with the beads. And I'm not going to wrap down very far because I'm going to end, it's going to meet my vase right over here. So I'm just going to stop right over here. Okay, this looks about good. For the other stems, I will have some that are wrapped longer, but this one not so much. All depends on how you want your arrangement to be.